Hello friends. Today I would like to tell you about companion plants, companion planting in bonsai. For the lonely heart, plants can be companions. But about but how about lonely plants? Don't they need companion too? Well, in bonsai culture, as you might have seen on a bonsai trees exhibit or photos of such thing, such event, there is bonsais and they have companion plants, also called accent plants. Little plants in little pots planted next to bonsais are the companion plants or accent plants for those bonsais. Here are some examples from the internet. In addition to that, sometimes a bonsai grower would plant on the base of a tree moss. Unless they live in a very drizzly weather, in a country where there is very lots of drizzle, they usually plant it just before exhibit and just after exhibit it kind of disappears. Well, I kind of combined the practice of a companion planting for bonsais and moss planting on the base of bonsais together. Let me show you. Somebody in a bonsai club had this plant. I super like it, very miniature. I said, can I have one? And they just tore it like that. I said, how am I gonna plant it? It has no roots. No, just drop it on the soil, it'll root by itself. So I did, and it did. And then I multiply it. It's here, and here, and here. I have it on many places, not with adeniums, but with ficuses, because they're wet-loving. And it kind of disappears. There is less and less of it in summer, and then more and more of it in a winter. But this summer we have unusual weather, very drizzly, and so it's not really disappearing. Every 3 months or so I'm pruning, I'm scissoring them a little bit. Well, finally, since I so much fell in love with my companion plants, accent plants, I thought I'll put it in one bigger pot all by itself and keep it close to faucet since it's so wet loving. I can water it more frequently. And it grew and it grew. And looky look how beautiful it is. Anyway, going around with scissors, I thought that the scissors look kind of like a stork. I was clipping the crowns of my potted perennials, my bonsais, and a stork reminded me the story of where do the babies come from. And so I got one baby for my companion plant. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye.